welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Spape, and today I'm going to be showing you guys what's in my bag. I am packing to go visit family. I'll be gone. Well, I'm packing for 4 days, and I'm leaving Thursday, and I'll be back home Sunday, maybe Monday. I'm not sure yet. But I'm packing for at least 4 days, and I tend to overpack, so this should be interesting. I have all the stuff laid out that I'm taking. It's all laid out on my bed. So I just decided I'll just show you guys what all I'm taking. So let me turn you guys around and we'll get into this video. Okay, so this is some of the stuff that I'm going to be taking with me: clothes, my computer, and then I have 2 bags. I'll show you guys what's in here. But I have 3 bags that I can fit it into. All of my clothes, bathroom stuff, that kind of thing, my computer. I have these 3 bags that I'm going to fill everything up with. But before I put it all in the bags, I just wanted to kind of show you guys what all I'm taking, and so I can show you guys how much I really overpack. Okay, so starting over here, my robe, nothing special, just a purple robe. Over here I have 3 sets of pajamas, possibly 4. And then I have just a pair of shorts. Like today, the weather, like the real feel outside was like 20 something degrees. And I'm not sure, I live in Texas, so you never know with this weather. But I'm bringing just a pair of pajama shorts. And then I have 3 pairs of pajama pants. Rugrats for all you 90s babies. And then this is just a t-shirt. I could either iron it and wear it, or I can wear it to sleep in with these over here. These 2 are sets. It's a shirt and pajama pants. They're really super comfy. They're cotton, so super comfy. And then just another pair of pajama pants and just a t-shirt that has the Golden Girls on it. And then I have my phone over here, my computer, one of my phones. I have 2 phones. I need to charge that one. Make sure I bring the charger for that. Then I have my computer, because I'm sure I will most likely, I'll record over there, and I'll need my computer to upload it. And then over here, we have all the leggings. I have like 5 pairs of leggings, 2 black ones, some gray ones, another pair of black ones, and then these gray and black ones, because leggings are pants. And then I just have some fuzzy socks. Me and my mom would actually be really proud that I'm bringing my own socks this time, because I usually, almost always, borrow socks from either her or my sister, so I think that they will be really proud that I'm bringing my own socks. And then just underwear, which I'm not going to show you because that's a little creepy and you don't need to know what kind of underwear that I wear. So moving on over here, these are the shirts. I'm not planning on getting like really dressed up or anything like that. Like I said, I'm just going to visit my mom. And so leggings and t-shirts it is, which I wear that most of the time anyways. But just bringing this little camo shirt. It's not really like a t-shirt. So if we do decide to go somewhere where I don't necessarily need to wear a t-shirt, then I'll just wear this. And then my mom's birthday is this weekend, and I was told to wear a Friends t-shirt, so that's what this is. We're supposed to go out to dinner, and it was suggested that we all wear a Friends t-shirt, so I'm going to wear this when we go out to eat. And then I'm just bringing this just in case. Most likely I'll probably sleep in this shirt, but this is just a ramen noodle shirt. Like, it's so cute. Let me show you. Like, that's it. I got it at Target. So super cute. But anyway, so I'll probably end up just probably sleeping in that. And then these two shirts, I know I'll end up wearing these. Like I said, I don't think we're planning on going anywhere, but if we do. This shirt right here is a shirt that my husband made me. This is my crew shirt. For those of you that don't know, I do stream video games, specifically Fortnite and GTA 5. I do stream, and this is my shirt, and I won't show you guys where I stream, but it is a pretty major streaming platform. So I'm bringing that shirt, and then this shirt, it's one of my favorites. He also made this shirt. Just a t-shirt, and it says Mama Bear on it. Love this shirt. My husband did make this shirt, so if any mamas are watching and you're interested, let me know. We can make you one and send one out to you. And then I'm bringing it's just a Fortnite t-shirt, just to wear, and then just a green shirt. There's nothing really on that. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shirts. I'll have to go back and refold those. But I have 7 shirts just in case I decide, I don't know, if I choose which shirt to wear. At least I'll have options. I like to have options when I'm going places because, like I said, you never know. I never know how to dress. So then, I'll show you guys what's in these 2 bags. I have my hairbrush over here. Spray bottle, that's for my daughter to do her hair. And these 2 bags, one is like toiletries. The only thing I do need to get is my toothbrush, and I'll get that in the morning before I leave. So one is toiletry type hair products, and this has makeup. So I'll start with this one. And in this bag, we have deodorant, face moisturizer, hair detangler, spray gel for my hair, and then some leave-in conditioner. I use this. I love this stuff, and it smells really good. So all of that goes in this little bag. And I'll zip that up in a minute. And then this bag right here, my daughter got me this makeup bag. I love this. It's so pretty. That's the back of it, just flowers. So in here we have a smaller bag. This bag has jewelry in it. Let me show you guys. It's just jewelry. That's a charger for my phone, and then I have my watch, some earrings in there. And then in here we have perfume. I'm just taking this because it's really the only one that's small enough to fit in my bag. That's Juicy. I'm taking some makeup wipes, eyeshadow. There's all kinds of stuff in here. Makeup brushes, all my makeup brushes that I use. Different lipsticks. I tend to go with nude colors. Chapstick, eyelash curler, blush, and like concealer, more lip gloss, and mascaras in here, powder, foundation, all of that. So, and that is pretty much it. Guys, that's all I got for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this what's in my bag. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. If you're new, I'd love for you to come back and hang out with me sometime. And thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.